National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Stearns County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Melrose, or 29 miles southwest of Little Falls, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Freeport around 6:45 p.m. St. Anthony around 6:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Albany and Avon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Stearns, Minnesota. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of north-central Stearns County through 7